What's good? It's the kid from the middle of the mouth. That's where I'm at. And we got today to take care of the Leaning Tower of apple trees. Alright, y'all. So as you can see, this container grown apple is leaning. It's leaning with it. It's leaning. We got to straighten this up. Now, the thing is, in nature, nothing is symmetrically perfect, which then makes it perfect. But anyway, what we're going to do today is we're going to man-made this perfect, and we're going to go ahead and get this set back up. I'm going to show you how I do it right quick, so let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing that we did is we went ahead and took the shovel and went all the way around the outside of the container to loosen up the roots as much as we can. If you do this, there will be some root damage, but that's why you do it when it's dormant, so you have less acid, less adverse effect to the growth. Lord. Alright, next up. Alright, so now we've got this here, the tree, taken out of the container. And honestly, don't know what size this is. I think it might be a 20 gallon, I think. But as you can see, got worms and things in there, so everything was good. Now what we're going to do is probably going to knock off a little bit of this, reset it, and put it back in there. Alright, so pretty much just like that, we took it, set it back in there, we adjusted it, and see there's still some room here, so what we're going to do is we're going to take some new soil. We took what we could off of here, shoved it underneath. We're going to put some new soil underneath to make sure that that stays propped up, and then it should be good to go. Might add a little bit of fertilizer to it, and shazam, ba-bam. I don't even know what that means, but y'all know it's like magic. We got it all finished. So here's the finished product here. There's a tree, and this is an Arkansas Black. So I've mentioned it a few times in other videos, but this one here is a triploid, so it needs a pollinator that has a pollinator. So it needs to be pollinated by a pollinator of a pollinator. So if you have this, you would need to have, for best production, you would need to have 2 other varieties. So still a little off here, but much better. The way that it was growing from the bottom, that's why it's set like that. But you know what? It's a lot better, and hopefully it'll produce well this year. Got all those seeds, as if y'all didn't see the seed haul. So this extra area right here is just extra planting area underneath the apple tree. So like I always say, I got love for those who got love for me. Much love from the middle of the mouth. That's where I'm at.
Your frog is Johnny Appleseed. Grow that tree right, players.
Peace.